Hello, ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished partners and guests from all over the world. Welcome to xFusion. I'm Lyndon Wang from xFusion marketing team, your MC today. You're now watching the live stream for Fusion Leads Evolution, the xFusion new product launch event in 2023. We would like to thank you all for joining us online. In 5 minutes, we're about to witness the release of the next generation flagship products of xFusion. Now I'm honored to take you to a brief tour of the xFusion exhibition hall, where lies just next to our event venue today here in Beijing. Also, to show you what we have achieved together in the past year. Why xFusion? How did we make it from the start, you might ask? Well, I would say it's the joint effort of more than 2,000 employees and over 7,000 supportive partners worldwide that together contributed to what we have accomplished today. Now xFusion has 7 regional offices, 5 supply centers, and 11 research centers with a strong research and development team of over 50% of our employees. We have by now obtained more than 2,000 patents. Looking back on 2022, it's been a year of change. But through the turbulence brought by changes, we see a new era of compute has already come. When standing side by side with our customers from more than 130 countries, we found that emerging digital technologies have been widely applied in business and welcomed by people around the globe. And this is the new digital leading transformation across all industries where the exploding computing power has been calling for. xFusion is fully committed to empowering clients and partners to seize these unprecedented opportunities by providing world-leading computing infrastructure and services and cooperations for mutual benefits with you all. In 2023 and the near future, computing power will become a driving force of world economy. And what we need will be the more creative, more powerful, and more diversified computing solutions. xFusion will continue pursuing to providing stronger, smarter, and greener computing infrastructure and services with both technology innovation and sustainable development. Today, we're about to release the next generation product, the FusionServer V7 series and our coolest server, the Fusion Pod. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present you Fusion Leads Evolution, the xFusion new product launch event. Let's move on to the live scene.
Thank you so much, Lyndon. Great introduction in xFusion's exhibition hall. Dear customers, partners, and friends online, welcome to the xFusion new product launch event, Fusion Leads Evolution. Human civilization has witnessed innumerable cultures and evolved towards an era of computing power. In this great era, xFusion is committed to serving as the world's leading provider of computing infrastructure and services. We cross the new digital divide by integration and open ecosystem. Today, we are here witnessing the debut of xFusion's future-oriented products. First of all, we're very excited to have Mr. Richie Fan, president of the xFusion product line, to introduce the overall strategy of xFusion.
Hello, everyone. I'm Fan Ruiqi, as the president of product line in xFusion. Have you ever considered this question? What is powering our world to move forward? Human society has never stopped evolving from ancient civilization to industrial revolution, from the information society to the intelligent world. Now, computing power has become the main engine to lead our digital world. In the second industrial revolution, electricity has widely used and boosted rapid development of many industries, especially the industrial manufacturing. This picture shows a very famous power station in China. It delivers a total installed capacity of 1.6 million kilowatts and an annual power generation of 5 billion kilowatt hours. I hope in the future computing power can be used as easily as water and electricity to power the intelligent world and boost the digital economy. In the new stage of digital transformation, we need to constantly overcome challenges and cross several new digital divides. The first divide is the diversified ecosystems, with the conflict between global data flow and data sovereignty. Security has become a key challenge. The second is a divide between supply and the demand of computing power. In the next 5 years, global demand of computing power is expected to grow by 8 times as Moore's law keeps slowing down. The conflict between demand and the supply will become a challenge. The third is a divide between carbon and silicon. With the energy conservation and the emission reduction goal, energy consumption of data centers is a challenge. The server energy consumption accounts for 1% of global energy consumption in 2020. The number will reach 3% in 2025. The digital economy is driving the global economic growth. Its development is determined by computing power. In the next few years, companies will seek higher production efficiency and resilience, and individuals will pursue a smarter and a greener life. New technologies such as AI, AR, VR, blockchain, and metaverses will be rapidly applied during digital transformation. And all these changes will be driven by constant upgrades of computing technologies. The rapidly developing world presents both opportunities and challenges. In the new stage of digital transformations, we need to make full use of technologies, process, and innovation to create value for our customers. With the idea of shaping a digital world, xFusion is willing and able to become the best integrator of diversified ecosystems, converter of southbound and northbound technologies, and an ambitious pioneer in digital and reality economies. We are not only equipped with super R&D capabilities and excellent teams, but also with world-class expertise and experience accumulated over the past 30 years. Learning from the past, we will put more focus on developing future-oriented computing power and ecology, and build different development models that best fit the computing industry. During the past year, we proved ourselves by efforts and actions. According to Gartner's Global Server Market Share Report, xFusion ranks top 2 in China. At this moment, I would like to thank over 10,000 major customers, thank more than 7,000 partners, and thank for their support. At present, with more than 2,000 employees, we have set up 11 research centers and 9 laboratories worldwide. What's more, we have 7 regional offices, 5 supply centers, and 6 GTECs around the world. We are serving our customers in 130 countries and regions worldwide, covering finance, telcos, internet, transportation, energy, and other verticals. As digital economy develops, we will further focus on developing computing power and ecosystems. This picture presents an overview of the digital economy. xFusion is focusing right on the middle part, connecting the southbound hardware and the northbound software. We adopt the open ecosystem strategy to integrate diverse ecosystems and achieve synergy of software and hardware. All ecosystems have their own full-stack development requirements. However, in the actual scenarios of industries, interoperabilities and synergy must be considered. We always focus on customers' innovation requirements. That's why we have the new product launch events here with the theme of Fusion leads evolution. We focus on the scenarios where the key customers are engaged. We regard the challenges and the requirements as our orientation. We build computing power infrastructure and services through technology trees and root technologies. Let me give an example. xFusion cooperates smoothly with telcos in operating system reconstruction. In the financial field, we joined hands with Industry Bank and Xiamen University to develop a privacy computing solution. This helps further improve our capabilities of credit risk control, wealth marketing, and joint risk prevention and control, and speed up transformation. Forge ahead, grow together. Computing power will be used easily as water, as electricity in the future. As a developing company, xFusion will make full use of our strengths and continue to innovate and forge ahead. We will work with global partners to provide stronger computing power for our customers' digital transformation. Thank you, and have a happy new year. Thanks.
Thanks for Mr. Fine's sharing. We are very glad to hear the efforts made by xFusion for a new digital world. We wish that xFusion can work with partners and customers to build a converged, open, and efficient digital world. Next, let's welcome Mr. Hans Chang.
Hello everyone, I'm Hans Zhuang from Intel. It's a great pleasure to join xFusion's Global Product Launch event. Today, my topic is Accelerate with Xeon. Digitalization has become the driving force for the world's transformation and has brought unprecedented opportunities to the entire technology industry. Digital technology like cloud computing, 5G, artificial intelligence, and intelligent edge have been adopted by many traditional industries and have released huge energy. According to IDC's predictions, China's IoT market will grow from $158.4 billion in 2021 to $294 billion in 2026. China will become the world's largest IoT market. With hundreds of millions of terminals, there will be a further explosion of computing power demand. As you may know, China has just officially entered the post-pandemic era. IDC also predicts that with the recovery of the market confidence, China's enterprise ICT expenditure will reach $282 billion in 2023, which is 13% year-to-year growth compared with 2022. We will see a revival in the market. During such a special time, Yesterday, Intel officially launched the Intel 4th generation of Xeon scalable processors, together with many ecosystem partners such as xFusion. The 4th Gen Xeon scalable processor is a highly innovative platform. It is manufactured with Intel 7 process technology and has a new architecture. The 4th Gen Xeon scalable processor significantly increased the number of high-performance core count. In addition, it integrates many accelerators to handle common high-demand data center workloads and offer industry-leading interfaces such as DDR5, CXL 1.1, and PCIe Gen 5. The wonderful user experience comes from the 7 powerful hero features of the new Intel Xeon platforms, and they are Intel AMX to accelerate the deep learning and the real-time inferences and training performance improvements, Intel DLB to accelerate the performance improvements of network data systems, Intel DSA to accelerate the movement of streaming data in storage and network workloads, Intel IAA to accelerate memory usage and query throughput in data analysis workloads, Intel QAT to accelerate network throughput, compression, and decompression, Intel Security to accelerate the platform security performance, and Intel Xeon CPU Max series with high bandwidth embedded memory to accelerate scientific computing and other workloads. From industry application requirements and user feedback, we are increasingly aware that only relying on the increase of the core frequency and core count will not meet the insatiable demand of the real-world workloads. To this end, we have extensively collected the needs and feedback from customers and end users. We then introduce a new design concept of accelerators for different modern workloads such as artificial intelligence, 5G networks, data analysis, and scientific computing. With this system-level design approach, we have built dedicated workload accelerators inside the CPU to improve its performance and efficiency. Today, Intel opens a new era of CPU design and architecture, providing a new technology paradigm and innovation path to meet higher performance requirements, whether they're in the cloud, at the edge, or on premises. Through the combination of increased high-performance CPU core count and built-in accelerators, we can offer a significant performance boost. The success of every Intel's new product depends on the commitment of our partners like xFusion. In addition to hardware platform, xFusion and Intel also work on software innovation and adopt open source operating systems like Fusion OS. Fusion OS adopts all the hero features and accelerators from Intel's 4th Gen Xeon scalable processors, offering advanced hardware capabilities such as AMX, SGX, and others, achieving a significant performance improvements over previous generations. What's more, our cooperation has spanned beyond CPU and over to IPU, GPU, FPGA, liquid cooling, and other technologies. Today, at xFusion's new product launch event, we are excited to join xFusion hand in hand to demonstrate the innovation of China's data center technologies and provide the industry with a very efficient, high performance, and safe data center solution. Thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. It's great to join you at Fusion Leads Evolution. I want to congratulate you on the time-to-market launch of your FusionServer V7 and Fusion Pod based on 4th Gen Intel Xeon scalable processors. Today, there is an unprecedented demand for compute that is helping to drive the industry's digital transformation. The latest FusionServer V7 and Fusion Pod being launched today are built to help our mutual customers deploy the infrastructure they need to power the next era of compute. By tapping into the built-in accelerators featured in the latest Intel Xeon scalable processors, we're able to deliver increased performance at higher efficiency for optimal total cost of ownership across several critical data center workloads, including AI, networking, and high-performance computing. Thank you for continuing to be part of our journey as we drive digital transformation across all industries. We look forward to continuing to work closely with xFusion in the coming year. Best wishes to everyone in the Year of the Rabbit.
Thanks for the sharing from Intel. Next, the xFusion new product launch begins. First of all, let's welcome Tab Tong, President of the xFusion Computing Infrastructure Domain, who will introduce and present the new xFusion Computing Infrastructure products.
Dear guests and friends, good afternoon. Welcome to the xFusion V7 product launch event, Fusion Leads Evolution. I'm Tab, President of the Computing Infrastructure Domain. It's my great honor to have you all here on a time to mark the launch of the FusionServer V7 and the Fusion Pod based on the fourth generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor. Thank you so much, Mr. Fanrich's sharing that understanding more about xFusion's vision. And also thanks for Sandra, has great support along the way. And together, we enjoy the big day of the FusionServer. And now, it's my time to report on the new progress of xFusion in the field of the computing infrastructure. The topic I bring today is innovation shape a new future of computing. In the era of digital economy, computing defines productivity. Nowadays, diversified computing is expected to be the core of the computing development in the future. The latest FusionServer V7 and the Fusion Pod being launched today are built to help our customers to deploy their infrastructure they need and power the next area of compute. The computing divided into general computing and intelligent computing. General computing relying on processor. It's mainly focused on email, data storage, etc., with the demand shift from 95% to 47% in the past 5 years. While intelligent computing, as application become diversified, increased from 5% to 53% and expected to rise to 70% in 2023. As demand for new scenarios such as video processing, digital twins, short video, AR, VR, and 5G will continue to grow, and structured data will grow explosively. I'm sure the intelligent computing that process and structured data will become the core of the computing development in the future. As a global warming effect, the green and low carbon concept has become one of the few global common agreements. Dual carbon becomes an important indicator for the world. Zero carbon becomes the key direction for data centers. The power consumption of data center in China and its proportion to social power consumption keeping up. 1% energy shift in data center is equal to the annual power consumption shift 2.6 original Tier 2 city. Reducing the power consumption and the green energy, pushing data center to zero carbon become a major direction for future research. Liquid cooling with high-density computing, not only energy saving and carbon reduction, but also save the cost. Liquid cooling data centers are the best choice for next-generation data centers. China deployed 8 national data center hubs to build the intensive and efficient computing infrastructure clusters. With the launch of China's computing east to west, strategic computing network has become a trend. The intensive data center and the computing network called new generation computing infrastructure. Data center has 3 stages. Stage 1, enterprise lead, on-demand deployment, no professional IDC and no unified standard. Physical and system security become the major demands. Stage 2, as the internet demand ramp up, first will CSP demand for computing exploded. Data center become bigger, intelligent and no-man OM or the main demands. Stage 3, industry is undergoing digital transformation, construction, and hyperscale data center hubs ramp. High efficiency and energy saving has become the main demands. In short, higher security, more intelligence, and higher efficiency are the top 3 to the new generation computing infrastructure. FusionServer vision to provide industry-leading computing infrastructure and service, and integrate a diversified computing ecosystem to build the efficient, intelligent, and reliable computing infrastructure and provide borderless computing. Therefore, I would like to introduce our best technology strategy to you all, which is xFusion computing infrastructure product direction and mission. Boundaries. We will continue to break computing boundaries and provide diversified computing to meet the customers' requirements in diversified scenarios. Efficient. Evolution technology for higher computing efficiency and focus on performance, energy saving, and maintenance to help customers achieve the best ROI. Smart. Intelligent computing technology are applied and AI systems are integrated in our product to support move to no-man OM for large-scale data centers. Trustable. Secure and reliable innovative technology and integrated diversified ecosystem to build a secure and reliable end-to-end computing infrastructure. According to the innovative technology strategy, we will actively deploy borderless computing to provide customers with optimal diversified computing. That's what we do. Breaking CPU boundaries. Diversified computing with xFusion deployed BMC management chips, XPU accelerators, and all series FusionServer GPU servers. Breaking server boundaries. We provide L1 and L2 vertical integration solutions and a series of database and HPC solutions to break server boundaries. Breaking data center boundaries. We have deployed hyper-converged solutions, intelligent OM capability, and energy-saving computing network to break data center boundaries. With innovative technology and the same server configuration, the performance increased by over 10% and 80% more energy are saved, delivering efficient end-to-end computing. Details as below. 3 kW titanium PSUs. The power output of the one use space is 67% higher than the average. We continuously make breakthrough in air cooling. The liquid-assist air cooling technology improves the heat dissipation capability by 43%. xFusion also innovative technology in energy saving, service, mobile OM to support efficient end-to-end computing. As the increasing number of demand higher OM, previous manual cannot meet the requirement. xFusion built-in AI technology improve the OM efficiency to help accelerating enterprise no-man operation scenario. For intelligent OM, xFusion integrates 3 AI technology with self-development BMC managed chips and software, greatly improving the server OM efficiency. It has 3K technology, AI memory failure self-healing technology, AI-powered drive fault prediction technology, AI-based fault diagnosis and management, we call FDM2 technology, and also intelligent OM solutions are developed for data centers, including the server full lifecycle intelligent management software, we call the Fusion Director, remote intelligent OM platform, Fusion Online, and the mobile OM software, etc. xFusion's mission is to build the best security and reliable of the server in the world. We continuously to drive our secure, reliable, and innovative technology to deliver the best product to the diversified computing ecosystem. System security. Based on the xFusion developed BMC management chips and software, we build a basic security frameworks for server. Reliable operation. Self-developed PSUs are the only past the CQC Level 3 certification and 80+ titanium certification in the industry. Diversified ecosystem. More than 10 partners to build joint innovation centers. In the future, we will continue to cooperate with more global partners. Understanding we keep you waiting for a long time. Now we are glad to have you all join us to witness the exciting moment of the launch of the FusionServer. Let's enjoy. FusionServer V7 intelligent servers are fully upgraded in hardware and software. In hardware, CPU, the Intel Gen 4 scalable processor Super Rapid, which last launched on January 11. Memory upgrade to DDR5 with 50% faster memory speed. The PCIe 5 improves the interconnection speed by 100% in software. BMC, the highest level security certification, CCEL4+ in the industry. BIOS is optimized to improve performance in specific scenarios, such as database and virtualization. Cluster management software supports third-party server management, online mobile OM, providing a better experience for the customer. FusionServer V7 series product has been ranked #1 in multiple tests. FusionServer V7 achieved the #1 result in all the specs below, including but not limited CPU performance, virtualization, HPC, AI, and power. You're familiar, the most powerful FusionServer is coming back. New generation FusionServer V7 has been certified by international authorities, including energy saving, security, and reliability. xFusion is a company focused on the product and the service, and spent years to build up the best product and solution to meet the enterprise daily increasing computing demand. FusionServer V7 meets the dynamic market and certified as #1 and the first one by different organizations. For example, the only one x86 servers that pass CCEL4. We are leading the industry. We also got the first PCIe DSS4, China's first Intel carbon fusion, the first TUV reliability, and the first TUV PPoE. xFusion embraces the Intel industry chain with the open ecosystem, adheres to independent innovation, and works with the upstream and downstream industry partners to create a new value for the customer. Now, xFusion has set up 9 innovation labs to focus on the basic technology, innovation, and research. We also set up more than 10 joint innovation labs with our best partners to integrate global technology. In the future, we hope to cooperate with more partners to build stronger computing infrastructure product and solutions to continuously create value for the customers. We believe that innovation shapes a new future of the computing. Thanks all for the contribution and support for V7. I'm sure V7 will delight data center technology and provide the industry with the most efficient and safest data center solutions. And now, let's welcome today's superstar, FusionPod. After years in deep research and design, FusionPod rack-scale server set a new flagship of higher density computing to be a new benchmark for the commercial liquid cooling. The FusionPod rack-scale server integrates L1 and L2 resources of the data center and the best TCOs for the full life cycle. The technical innovation is ultra-high density. The cabinet supports the power of 36 kW to 108 kW, 8 times higher than the traditional cabinet. intelligence, 3-bus blend meeting and cable-free maintenance, great improvement on OM efficiency, native liquid cooling, 100% liquid cooling, no air conditioners is needed for the FusionPod total solution. Currently, FusionPod already deployed 50,000 nodes, leading the industry. For liquid cooling solution, there are two big concerns from the demand side: reliability and energy efficiency. To provide the trust and the reliability solution to the enterprise, xFusion working closely with the top international certification authorities after 1 year research and test, and got the certification. The world first TUV reliability certification, which is valid for 10 years. The world first TUV energy efficiency certification, the PUE in liquid cooling mode, is less than 1.06. Let's enjoy the exciting moment and welcome our FusionPod. That's all for today, and thanks for your time to here to with us to share the happiness of the launch of the FusionServer V7 and the FusionPod. It's the start of 2023, and it's also the new journey of the xFusion. We are looking forward to see you all in the coming futures with our professional product and service. Last but not least, best wishes to you all in the year of the rabbit and a success 2023 together. Thank you.
Thanks for TechTown's amazing introduction. In the digital economy era, the application and the scenario-driven demands are surging, and ecological cooperation is enhanced as well. Microsoft is the most important ecosystem partner of xFusion. Now, we're very glad to have Mr. Ocean Tam, Senior Director of Microsoft OEM team, to share with us his topic, Together for Better.
Dear partners and customers, I'm Ocean from Microsoft China OEM department. It's a great pleasure to join xFusion V7 product launch event. Let's have the video first.
超巨变的各位朋友，大家好，我是微软中国区总经理袁鑫。微软作为当今全球的领先云及数字化转型服务提供商，最早一批和超巨变恢复了业务往来，并建立了稳定的合作伙伴关系。相信随着今后超巨变业务稳定发展壮大，特别是拓展全球业务的过程中，微软会有越来越多的机会助力超巨变的全球发展，将双方的合作进一步深化。在此，预祝超巨变2023新品发布圆满成功，微7大卖。
xFusion is our great server and cloud partner. Our collaboration covers the global market. We work together to deliver system-level solutions to enterprise customers. Today, it's my honor to share on behalf of Microsoft on this important day of xFusion new product V7 launch. My topic is Together for Better. From third-party reports, we could see the economy is recovering. The share of global digital economy GDP has steadily increased. China's current share is lower than world's average, but China's future growth rate is leading. Global GDP share of digital economy from 44% to 57%, while China from 39% to 62% in the recent 5 years. From challenge perspective, green and low carbon explosive needs for computing power and large-scale data center management are still there. Therefore, customers need more powerful infrastructure solutions to improve their productivity and daily operation. xFusion adheres to the concept of creating products that best meet customer needs. Microsoft with xFusion together provide a better solution on Azure Stack HCI. Hyper-converged infrastructure based on HyperFusion self-developed intelligent server and intelligent deployment, intelligent fault, intelligent eyesight, intelligent upgrade, smart energy-saving software, together with Fusion Director and Microsoft Azure Stack HCI for Fusion One for Azure Stack HCI solution. The product is oriented to virtualization, desktop cloud, edge, and other scenarios. Combined with the understanding of customer business accumulated by SuperFusion, polishing a reliable and stable integrated solution that is more in line with customer application habits, meet customer ultimate business needs, allow customers to have more choices in the process of IT cloud evolution, help customers have a better experience when using Azure Stack HCI, and meet the continuous development of customer business requirements. What is Azure Stack HCI? It's a new hyper-converged infrastructure host platform from Microsoft delivered as an Azure service, providing the latest security, performance, and the feature updates. Deployed Azure Stack HCI on xFusion server hardware and run Windows, Linux, virtual machines in your data center or at the edge by leveraging your existing tools, precise and secure sites. Extend your data center to the cloud with the capability such as Azure Backup, Azure Monitor, and Azure Security Center. What are the specific benefits of the HyperFusion Fusion One Azure Stack HCI solution for customers? First of all, there can be more choices in the hardware. Customers can choose different types of servers to meet different business needs. FusionServer have 20 years of development experience and accumulation to ensure the highest quality, extremely stable to meet customer requirements. In terms of a solution, combined with the in-depth understanding of SuperFusion hardware, computer room, and customer development, machine operation, and maintenance personnel. Microsoft top design at the software level and the detection and design capabilities of 9 core libraries with SuperFusion. The performance has always maintained the industry-leading position. In terms of reliability, the failure is less than 30% in the industry. Green and low carbon, the energy saving of a single device is as high as 80%, which greatly reduces the operation and maintenance cost of the basis of meeting the highest quality requirements of customers, and meets the green and low carbon requirements advocated by the world and the country. Last but not least, Microsoft will have more opportunity to contribute to the global development of xFusion and further deep collaboration with xFusion as its business grows steadily in the future, especially in the process of expanding its business worldwide. Finally, I wish the new product launch event 2023 of xFusion a complete success and V7 servers sell well. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ocean Tom. Besides computing power, what adds value to the computing power era is the operation system upon the integration of computing power infrastructure, computing power network, and efficient data flow. Red Hat, as the best Linux OS provider and the close partner of xFusion, Mr. Jeff Young, Senior Director and Head of GCG Commercial Sales of Red Hat, also join us today and bring his topic, Evolution, the Light, the Digital World.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jeff Young, Senior Director, Head of GCG Commercial Sales. It's a great pleasure to join the xFusion Global Product Launch event. Today, my topic is Evolution, Delight the Digital World. Let's take the few minutes to have the video to let you know about the Red Hat. The most important thing I want to emphasize now, inarguable facts that Red Hat is the world #1 provider of commercial IT product and solutions based on the open source software. And we lead by a large margin. You can see there are lots of more than 90% something in the slides. The state is powerful because it illustrates our vast reach. Around the world, there are in a range of industries, successful companies use our product. With almost 90,500 employees in more than 40 countries, we have the worldwide presence. The point to emphasize is that Red Hat has the size, scale, and the capability to meet customer needs. We have global presence and can support our customers and partners wherever they are. This is Red Hat history. Since the first release of Red Hat Linux, and the company founded in the 1993, Red Hat has been expanding the technology portfolio. Red Hat has acquired lots of companies that have helped us broaden our portfolio. We open source the technology that we acquire as quickly as possible. Over time, Red Hat has acquired several companies and technologies to enhance its overall portfolios. Fortune Global 500 leaders in the telecommunication, commercial banking, and the media technology industry choose Red Hat for our broad portfolio of an open source solution. This is a compelling endorsement that Red Hat has been able to point to for many years now. I want to talk about the culture. The culture of the open source is the heart of its power. It requires collaboration and transparency to work. But the benefits are vast. Share the problem can be solved much faster than those work on alone. I want to give you an example. OpenStack was a collaboration among the Rackspace, NASA, and others. Linux itself was an openly developed project, starting by one man, but made successful by many, many people. Tools and the technology that work well become standards, and the standards promote great efficiency and fast development. In the most of the case, open source is behind today's technology leaps. All the things that make digital transformation possible. Infrastructure changed from the mainframes to x86 commodity market, which giving the birth to the Linux server. Cloud innovation sprung from that well. The cloud underneath is a Linux. Application moved from monolithic single-use tools to reusable, flexible microservice, containers, and mobile. I want to talk about open source community. Open source community are very, very good at to reputable innovation and collaboration. Addressing common problem with the power of a community and much more. However, business have some needs that community do not, and should not have to address the where is the Red Hat stepping. We help organizations interact with the open source technology they need, getting change and the request upstream. We are trusted by the community and cultivate innovation. They know we will not stuff it because by sharing, we can make it even better. From the OS to the storage, to the middleware, to the OpenStack and the containers, all the way up to the management and automation. Red Hat is helping build open source solutions to modern IT challenges. The many cases, Red Hat is a leading sponsor, both Red Hat and non-Red Hat developers to contribute to this project and are free to use the code as they wish. Red Hat and xFusion joint design lots of products. Continual verification provide the complete open hybrid cloud solution and a product portfolio. Currently, we can provide at least 4 major series of products and solutions. First, Red Hat Enterprise Linux and Server. Second, SAP HANA Solution Optimization. Third, Database Solution Optimization. 4, Cloud and Edge Development Management. That's all for today. Best wish for the xFusion has a successful launch event. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jeff Yang, for your gorgeous sharing. In the future, xFusion will continue to invest in scientific and technological innovation. Now, I'm excited to announce that the Fusion Leads Evolution new product launch comes to a close. Thank you so much and see you next year.